welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. uMadlomo and Hloso, they call Mthunzi off for buying gifts for the kids. They said he must not use his last money. Asinje just wanted to thank them for sacrificing their rooms. And then uMadlomo brings up the issue that Upesi was found drunk emsebenzini. Mthunzi was he fired, but actually Semi D gave him second chance. And then the tenants at Tembeni, they meet up. David and Tiri called a meeting to say they feel good. Actually, the club is not a bad idea after Umdala threatened them the previous day. So they think it's not a bad idea. And then uMadlomo supports them saying, actually, this is going to bring business. Ephraim thinks, how are you changing your mind? And then he goes to talk to Semi D, saying, I wonder what happened to David, Law. Maybe they were threatened. Now I'm starting to worry. And then Semi speaks to Thapelo, goes, what did you do? Did you threaten them? Also Thapelo, no, we did not. And then Mthunzi manages to go into Semi D's office. I don't know what he did in there, and then he managed to come out before he saw him. But then he saw him coming out and was like, what are you doing here? But he managed to cover it up. And then Toriso feels good. Actually, they should be staying together and Poet. So she says she's gonna go to Poet's house to Ayokotiza, girl. She tells her family is not keen on that, but then what can they do? They can't stop her. Poet's grandmother is happy. She's going shopping, saying she wants to cook for her in-laws. She's not excited that Toriso's going to come and live with them. Will this work? How will Gideon take this? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.